Hey guys, so this video is just going to walk you through everything that you need to know for what you need to do this week. So you'll see up here, it says watch this short video of me showing you exactly what you need to do. That's this video that I'm making. I'm going to put it underneath this red title here. And then once you're in the lesson, double click. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to do an online quick lab on the forest ecosystem. All right, so what you need to do here is you need to click on the title just like I'm doing and go to this website. Once that's loading, just go back here. So go back to your sheet, have it open in another tab. So that's what I've done here. Click on the forest ecosystem title to go to the website. Now I'm on the step below, so right here. So it says go to the login, click this link, and go to the login page. So you're going to let that load. Okay, so once that's loaded, you're going to scroll down on this Gizmo login sheet and you're going to find your name. So whatever, if it's Chloe, there's your name right there. The computer generated your passwords. So just remember, if you want to write it down on a piece of paper, what your username and password is, because some of you have a lot of numbers behind your name. You're then going to go back to this tab, the online lab tab right here, and you're going to log in and enroll. So click on the login enroll and you're going to type your username and password. So I'm just typing mine in and then you're going to click login and you're going to let it launch. Okay, so when you've got it launched, you should see this forest ecosystem here. You're going to double click on this and you're going to launch the gizmo. So double click on the picture to launch the gizmo. All right, so once your gizmo looks exactly like this, you're set up. And now you can X out of the login sheet. You don't need that anymore. And you're going to go back to the assignment. All right, so this gizmo, we're just learning about different roles in the ecosystem. You probably learned about this stuff in public school, producers, consumers, and decomposers. I've put the definitions for you right here so you can read through them. And then I'm just going to show you how to do the gizmo. It's super easy. To set up the gizmo, I've made bullet points here. So you need to click advance year a couple of times to see a couple years ago. So just go on here and see down here how it says advance year. Just click on it a couple times and see how the ecosystem changes. So I just did it 4 times. Then you're going to go back. So click back. Now it says remove all the deer from the forest by clicking the minus button. So this is where if you like to hunt, you can get rid of the deer. So just that's trees. Oops. Sorry. So keep clicking on the deer until they're all gone. And how you know they're all gone is it won't let you click anymore. So see how I've done it? So now I can't click anymore. There's no more deer. Okay, so then the third thing you need to do is it says click advance year 2 more times. So now I'm advancing the year 1, 2 more times. All right, we're almost ready. So now you're going to go down here and it says on step 2, I'm right here. Select the data tab and the line graph and then click the tree. So all you need to do here is go back. The data tab is up at the top. So you select it. Click down here under line graph. Oh, bye, dear. Okay, and then unclick on all of the ones except for the tree. Okay, so see how you're unclicking all of these except for the tree is highlighted in red. Now you're going to answer the questions. So it says here, click the tree to show the size of the tree population for the past several years. What did you notice about the tree population? So I noticed, if I go back to the gizmo, that my tree population went up. So see how the graph went up? So then I'm going to write in here, it went up. And then why do you think that happened? So I think the tree population went up because that's what the deer eat. So if there's no deer to eat the tree, no deer to eat it. Done. You're going to do the same thing with the bear and the mushroom. Okay? So now you're going to unclick the tree and now you're going to click the bear. The bear, what did it do? So it's slightly increased. Then you're going to write it in your chart. You're going to do the same thing with the mushroom. Whoa, mushroom skyrocketed. Okay, so you're going to do that in the chart. So that's how you do the first one. Then you're going to go down here. Now this is the rest of the lab. All you're doing is you repeat what you've done, but now instead of removing the deer, you're going to reset the gizmo. So click this reset button, reset, and you're going to go back to the forest and you're going to do the exact same thing, but on this graph, you're going to remove all the bears. And then you're going to notice what happened to the population. And then you're going to do the same thing with the mushrooms. That's down here. And then the same thing with the trees. That's the whole lab. That's it, guys. You can play around with it if you want, because I know some of you like hunting. You can allow hunting and logging later on after you're done the lab, see what happens. And then you're going to answer this question. So you're going to assign each of the organisms in the forest a role, either a producer, a consumer, or a decomposer. And remember that the definitions are up here. All right, so then the second thing you're doing for the week, this is it, is there's 2 really short paragraphs. This is how long the paragraph is. You're going to read the following paragraphs and answer 2 questions, one to 2, but it's 2 easy questions after each one. So see how on this one it says, what's the definition of a producer? Well, it's highlighted right there so you can see it. So you're just going to read the area around it and tell me what a producer is. And then you're going to answer 2 questions from that. And then the same thing here, a really short paragraph and 2 questions. That's it, guys. Now, once you're done that, please turn it in so I can mark it and keep up the awesome work. If you're doing the work, guys, your mark's only going up. So keep up the awesome work. I know this is really frustrating. I do know that, but you're doing great. Have a good week.